teleport. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've lost onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
You're gonna wait for the door to fully open?
Your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. Of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activated so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Superior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Gardens. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that?
that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Watching turtles from the north.
I'm not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, we didn't even know there was a test.
These are the costume generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump went to where?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? It's so vague.
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I rerouted the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, there are only chains to keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's the King?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King Conga's toast. His plans were to destroy.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet when we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm like. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebuilding our subsystem.
You don't know what song you got when you're on it? No, I was too busy screaming. What are the options again? Here, remember I ran. I want to go. I don't want one.
Step into the Star Jumper vehicle and secure all loose items. Pull down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the Star Jumper at all times. And supervise younger riders.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely to kill him.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It's useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oh, crud.
That's the King James?
The Big Bang!
Generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator. We're ready. Oh, yeah? We'll see about that. This thing is more complicated than I thought.
attention. Delta team, blink your stun blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. Hard world would have been perfect. Yeah, well, nobody's
It's Epcot. Who names these things?
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Welcome back to Epcot. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper. The Nova Corps thanks you for your service.
Okay, I gotta go to Line 82. I'll see you soon.